Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2016 on a 66 plate Audi Q3 S-Line. This is the 1.4 TFSi petrol with a 6-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in Misano Red Pearl, and it's covered just 36,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around this really nice low mileage petrol Q3, very high specification example. Really looks the part in this Misano Red Pearl, so it's not a flat red, it's a pearl effect, so really nice looking thing. November 2016 registered, 2 owners from new, just 36,000 miles, and it's supplied with a full Audi main dealer service history, 7 stamps in the book right the way through its life, including a very recent service at the Audi main dealer as well. So it's bang up to speed on its service history. Proper car. 18-inch silver alloy wheels with matching Continental premium branded tyres all the way round. So it really has been well looked after. Always popular, the Q3s. If you like an A3 or that sort of size but you want to be slightly higher off the ground, then this is the perfect car to fill that gap. £190 a year to tax, well over 40 miles to the gallon on a combined run according to Audi. And this is the S-Line specification, but it does have quite a few added options as well, £3,500 worth. They're all detailed on the website. You've got S-Line embossed into the wings there, and as we have a look inside, really nice and clean and tidy. Half leather interior, seats are in really good shape. Again, you've got S-Line embossed into the tops of the seats there. Electric lumbar support. All the kick plates are in good condition, and again you've got S-Line embossed into those. Door cards are all in really good shape. Remote central locking does come supplied with 2 remote keys, 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable heated and power folding door mirrors. It's got its original carpet mats, automatic lights. Up onto the steering wheel itself, again in really good shape. You've got controls for your radio, you've got your trip computer controls, you've got your cruise control down below, leather armrest, couple of cup holders, 12-volt socket, electronic handbrake, 6-speed manual gearbox. This is the 148 brake horsepower model, so goes nicely. All your handbooks in the glove box, and then a very straightforward Audi setup. As we make our way above, you've got climate control, parking sensors which you can switch off using that button just there, start-stop facility which again you can switch off, and then up above radio CD, and then this little button here controls the main screen at the top. So you've got some different driving modes, you've got satellite navigation built in, you've got Bluetooth for your telephone, you've got DAB digital radio, and you've also got a parking pilot as well. So when you do put the car into reverse and the parking sensors are activated, it'll show up on the screen there. So really nice level of spec. It does also have the added option of a power tailgate. So if we push this button there, up comes the boot lid, which is a really nice touch. I always partial to an electric tailgate, I must say. Into the rear, again you've got your carpet mats. Looks like the valeters have been getting a bit excited putting some tram lines in them. Electric windows in the rear, 3 proper headrests with 3 seat belts. ISOFIX for the child seats, of course, really good shape. Decent amount of headroom. Parking sensors across the rear bumper, and then into the boot space itself. Nice big load space. Not much of a lip to negotiate. You've got split folding rear seats, parcel shelf at the top, and then to close the boot you just push the button and down it comes. And there we have it. November 2016 Audi Q3 S-Line 1.4 TFSi petrol, 6-speed manual gearbox, 36,000 miles, 2 owners, a full 7 stamp Audi main dealer service history, very recently serviced as well. Finance is available from less than £300 a month based on a 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory free MOT along with 2 keys and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Really nice price range, Q3, all the spec, petrol as well, bound to be popular. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.